First things first, gather a boneless pork loin weighing 3 to 4 pounds. Season this generously with salt and pepper. Now, heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Sear the pork loin on all sides until it's beautifully browned, which should take about 3 to 4 minutes per side. While the pork is searing, let's prepare the sauce. In a medium bowl, blend together a cup of apple butter, half a cup of apple cider, a quarter cup of brown sugar, a tablespoon each of Dijon mustard, soy sauce, and minced garlic. Spice this up with a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon each of ground cloves, and ground nutmeg. Stir it all together until well combined. Now comes the assembly in the crock pot. Place 2 large cored and sliced apples and a large sliced onion at the bottom of the crock pot. On top of this, place the seared pork loin. Pour the apple butter mixture over the pork loin, ensuring it is well coated. Cover and cook on low for 6 to 8 hours or on high for 3 to 4 hours until the pork loin is tender and fully cooked. When it's time to serve, remove the pork loin from the crock pot and let it rest for a few minutes before slicing. Serve the sliced pork loin with the apples and onions, drizzling some of the cooking juices over the top for that extra flavor. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.